Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment your suggestions. In today's video, I will be reviewing and unboxing the Neon Flow Light Strip by the brand LIGENCY. The box contains a 5-meter Smart RGB+IC Neon Flow Light Strip, a quick start guide where you get the information how to set up and install, a power adapter. The strip is connected to a multifunction button, which is the controller. You also have mounting clips and screws. The first step is to download the Smart Life app from the App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android phones. You must log into the app and make sure your phone is successfully connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and your Bluetooth is enabled. Now connect the power adapter to a powered wall outlet. The light should turn on. If needed, press the multifunction button twice. Press the multifunction button for 5 to 6 seconds to enter the pairing mode. The light will begin blinking when it has entered the pairing mode and is ready to pair. The app will detect the nearby Wi-Fi enabled device and ask if you would like to add it. Click Add. Then enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. This may take up to a minute. Your device is now set up and ready to use. There is a multicolor selector with brightness adjustment in the app. As you can see, you can select the colors through the app. You can also select a combination of colors. There are several options given. The Neon Flow is exceptionally flexible and can be used to write cursive messages, just like I have done. Under the DIY section, you can see scenery, where you have types of flowing multicolor scenes. There are a lot of variety, as you can see. This LED strip can also be voice controlled. It works great with Alexa and Google Assistant. The Neon Flow is water resistant and is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The power adapter is not waterproof. If desired, you can operate the device with the controller and without pairing to Wi-Fi and without the app. Advanced features like color customization, scheduling and voice control will not be available. I think this neon strip light is a great investment and can be used to decorate your home. I would like to thank the brand for sending this over to me.